Your liver is silently under attack, and you would not know it until it is too late. If you are over 40 and you feel tired after meals or have a small belly that will not go away, then your liver may be full of fat. Fatty liver does not cause pain. That is why it is called the silent killer. By the time you feel symptoms, the damage is already advanced. But here is the hope. 3 herbs have real research behind them that help the liver push fat out and repair itself. I will show you which 3 they are and how to use them safely at home. Stay with me to the end, because the 3rd herb works only if you avoid one common mistake that destroys 80% of its power. If this video can help someone you love, hit like and subscribe now. I post science-based videos for liver and metabolic health every week. Fatty liver means fat builds up inside liver cells. More than 5% fat is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. After 45, the risk jumps because metabolism slows and insulin resistance rises. A fatty liver cannot burn fat well. It cannot clean blood well. It cannot control blood sugar well. The good news is the liver is the only organ that can regrow. Give it the right signals and it starts to reverse fat buildup within weeks. These 3 herbs send those signals. Why fatty liver is dangerous after 40. Fatty liver starts with insulin resistance. When cells stop listening to insulin, the body stores more fat in the liver. The liver then gets inflamed. Inflammation damages liver cells and causes scarring called fibrosis. If fibrosis continues, it leads to cirrhosis. Cirrhosis means the liver cannot work at all. The scary part is there are no early warning signs. Fatigue and bloating are often ignored. Blood tests may show high ALT and AST enzymes. An ultrasound shows bright liver, but most people find out by accident. Reversing it early is possible. The liver responds fast when fat stops coming in and repair signals go up. Herb 1. Turmeric. The active compound is curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that helps protect liver cells from damage. It reduces inflammation in the liver and supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Several clinical studies have shown that curcumin may help reduce liver fat and improve liver enzyme levels in people with fatty liver disease. Researchers believe it works by reducing oxidative stress and helping the liver process fats more efficiently. Curcumin also activates AMPK, often called the body's fat-burning switch. When AMPK is active, the body becomes better at using stored fat for energy instead of storing it in the liver. For best absorption, turmeric should be taken with black pepper. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, dramatically increases curcumin absorption. Use 500 milligrams of curcumin with 5 milligrams of piperine twice daily with meals. Taking it with healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, or avocado may improve absorption even further. If you take blood-thinning medication, speak with your doctor before using high-dose curcumin supplements. Herb 2. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogaols that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body, including the liver. Research suggests that ginger may help lower liver enzyme levels, reduce fatty deposits in the liver, and improve insulin sensitivity. These benefits are especially important because insulin resistance is one of the major drivers of fatty liver disease. Ginger also supports digestion and may help the body process fats more effectively, reducing the burden on the liver. One clinical study found that people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease who consumed ginger experienced improvements in liver health markers and metabolic function. You can drink ginger tea by adding 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger to hot water and letting it steep for 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, preferably before meals. For supplements, a common dose is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily with food. Herb 3. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which help support the liver's natural detoxification systems. These compounds may help the liver remove harmful substances more efficiently while protecting liver cells from oxidative damage. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption may help reduce liver fat, improve cholesterol levels, and support healthy liver enzyme levels in people with fatty liver disease. Garlic may also help improve insulin sensitivity and support weight management, two important factors for reversing fatty liver. Researchers believe garlic works by reducing inflammation, improving fat metabolism, and increasing the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the liver. You can eat 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves daily with food, or use aged garlic extract supplements according to label directions. If fresh garlic upsets your stomach, start with a small amount and gradually increase as tolerated. These 3 herbs, turmeric, ginger, and garlic, are names that almost everyone already knows, making them much easier for a senior health audience to understand and remember. Like and subscribe if this is helping you understand your liver better. I share new research every week for people over 40. The mistake that ruins, herb 3. The mistake is eating too much raw garlic at once. Many people think more garlic means faster results. It does not. Large amounts of raw garlic can irritate the stomach, cause heartburn, and lead to digestive discomfort. If you notice burning in your stomach, nausea, or worsening acid reflux, reduce the amount immediately. For most people, 1 to 2 cloves a day is enough. Start with half a clove and see how your body responds before increasing the amount. How these 3 herbs work together. Turmeric reduces inflammation and switches on fat burning. Ginger improves digestion, supports blood sugar control, and reduces oxidative stress. Garlic helps the liver remove toxins and improves fat metabolism. Together, they target 3 major drivers of fatty liver at the same time: inflammation, poor metabolism, and excess fat storage. What to expect in 30 days, week 1 and 2. Most people notice less bloating after meals and improved digestion. Week 3. Energy may start to feel steadier as blood sugar control improves and inflammation decreases. Week 4. Some people may see improvements in liver enzyme levels and overall metabolic health. Do not expect dramatic weight loss in 30 days. Expect your body to start building a healthier foundation for liver recovery. Fatty liver can often improve when you support your body with the right habits and the right foods. Turmeric helps calm inflammation. Ginger supports metabolism and digestion. Garlic helps the liver work more efficiently. 3 natural ingredients. 1 simple daily routine. If this video gave you hope, hit like and subscribe. Next week, I will show you the 5 foods that silently damage your liver every day without you knowing. Tell me in the comments if you have been diagnosed with fatty liver and which of these natural remedies you would try first. I read every comment and I love hearing your experiences.